Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's an international friendly Bafana 1, Panama 1. I'm joined by Sizok Jola.
One drugs.
Let's go.
Tibo. Come on, John. I'm not.
Bulletproof.
And don't talk bulletproof. Ngiyemishini after la.
Yeah.
Zwile ngosaka.
Yosebenza
Yosebenza no.
Yoklini.
Mina ngiqale ngawe futhi. Mina ngayidek mina ngiqale ngawe la. Sure Tibo come on.
Yeah, I'm not.
No, sivusela bafethu, sivusela company.
Yeah.
Company mele sponsor ngaskipha sebafana bafana. Tibo. Xa khuluma ne-company.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, basiphe man. Hawu.
Lokuthengela nami yesiwale.
Wena sivile indaba yakho sifiva na isho mali.
Ngiyona.
Angeke siyikhiphe la.
Mfana kamhlathi. Uyileze kuma komplathi. Yazi China singambonisi. Uyo comment ukuthi Steve ngePirates I'm not sure.
Steve Ukraine. Steve was getting game in fast. Isikhathi samjamba. Steve udlala isikhathi.
Sharp.
Ukraine Steve. So when game Steve was friendly it was a bit shaky. Mina I thought Panama is strong.
Yeah.
Or ngimi teammates me shaky.
Panama.
I thought Panama is not that good. I'm still looking for umuntu ozophera nombokazi la percent Tibo.
Sure.
I still
Unamata.
Oprum Diba man quality Tibo.
Sure.
It's a quality player Tibo. AFCON experience the food udlala AFCON udlala careful, you know. But I feel like namuhla ngeke ku level the best yakhe yabona Tibo. He was a little bit shaking today.
Yeah.
So ngizofuna umuntu ozobalance inside la ka left because of ka right we are balanced ngoma Thulidi nomdawo Messi World Cup.
Yes.
And then shot ngomuntu ozoparalyze center.
Sure.
Middle field nakhona Steve coming with a bit shaky.
Yeah.
Bonile kan badonsa umkwena ukuthi isashika. If umkwena might happen because athola injury ngale kwenzeka la. So sinking in Steve. Mina sithola nomuntu ozodlala nyana nomkwena lapha babe. Phambili Steve sinamuntu.
At all.
Steve. Sifuna kora ndoda.
What about the English Premier
if you could check the game of Steve. Steve.
I can take anything.
Utlakathele Steve. No, Frostler is a good striker Steve. Wamkhiphile vandag ongasi chance yakho but utlakathele Steve. Phuma emapozini Steve. Sidinga ukubalansa phambili Steve. It was a good game. Kupha abanye abantu chance to play. I feel like let's scheme sodlala next week Tuesday.
Yeah.
Aye. Lo azoqala ischeme.
Yeah.
Uyali.
Oh yeah.
Lo azoqala ischeme next week Tuesday.
Akasa experiment
coming to Panama Steve number 11 wabo Steve.
Yeah.
I saw it's one of umuntu lona push game because of Steve energy to miss lazy Steve. Miss ngafuna ukora, you know. I feel like I understand usimogenzakalana. Or coach uthi Bafethu relaxana.
Yeah.
Asikho isikhathi sokurelax World Cup Steve. Panama they bafike la kithi bavala ama spaces with you know badlala e-center but okay sharp siyabazi laba bas planning speed basivala center they protect the ball badlala ibhola kuphela abana angisho ukuthi ba good mama ba rotate ibhola silokhu sibabukile especially ngoba bakhiphe umkwena yebo mali badlala center la yabona Ocon one of umfana na aqini yabona I feel like he's a good
uyamthathela ibhola ngakho
Steve. First call yeah, can if first call right. Also part of his car. Steve first call. Udlala lang konjile iJemin. Yeah, useJemin mara. Yeah, useJemin. Uyadlala ndoda ubabheka ama game wakhe la adlalayo. I think untwana na uzozwa because of Steve man isisaqala sabuild le game le best builder but no energy. Steve, I'm not happy with the results. Not energy. So we are next to Tuesday our champ.
Thank you.
I'm